Welcome to the instruction video on how to replace the power cable on our EUROBOOR magnetic drills. Before we start, let's remove 2 of the 3 handles for extra space to maneuver. Once that's done, unscrew the 4 screws of the front and back panel. Be aware that the back panel has 2 layers. Disconnect the coupling nut of the power cable from the machine. Use a wrench 22 if necessary. After this, disconnect the ground wire with the help of a wrench size 7. Before we start detaching the 2 wires connected to the magnet switch, we advise you to make a picture of the connections before you proceed, for reference in a later step. Now go ahead and detach the 2 power cable wires attached to the magnet switch. After this, we'll pull the power cable through the machine a bit, so we have the free space to detach the cable clamp. Now that the power cable wires are disconnected and cable clamp removed, we can freely pull out the power cable and replace it with a new one. We start with reattaching the cable clamp, followed by connecting the coupling nut of the power cable to the machine. Then, we reconnect the ground wire and the 2 wires connected to the magnet switch. Do so as shown in the picture you took with your phone earlier. We're almost done. Screw the front and back panel back in place and make sure you screw them tight. Reminder, the back panel has 2 layers. As the final step, put the 2 handles back in place. We're all set. Thanks for watching and enjoy your EUROBOOR machine with its new power cable.